The fresh report of Pegasus huge flags the need to take inquiry to its logical conclusion. It is difficult to disagree with the argument that there cannot be a parlor probe by any inquiry commission into an allegation of unlawful surveillance using the Pegasus spyware. After the Supreme Court ordered an independent inquiry, it is no surprise then that the top court had stayed the functioning of commission constituted by the West Bengal government and headed by the retired judge Justice Madan B. Lokur. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee had taken note to the allegation of surveillance that the possibly targeted persons in the West Bengal and was a good legal ground when she took the first legal step towards unearthing the truth. It was a step that was warranted by the circumstances. Then, given a Union government refusal to acknowledge that it purposed such spyware on whether those identified by international media, the investigation as a target were subject to any sort of surveillance in the country. Report by the International Consortium of Journalists said that the 300 out of 50,000 likely target of Pegasus spy were Indians. Subsequently, the government also refused to cede any ground in the Supreme Court and declined to give a simple yes or no reply to the court question. Stone simply attempt to raise its parliament and sticking to its gun in the court. The government inevitably invited to its gun in the court. Government inevitably invited an order from the court for an independent investigation. It is significant that the bench, headed by the Justice N.V. Ramana, ruled that the bogey of national security was not an adequate reason not to have a critical inquiry into the allegation. A fresh report suggesting that the Pegasus was used to target jailed activist Rona Wilson mobile phones underscore the urgent need to proceed with the investigation into illegal use of spyware in India. The US Forensic Investigation Company, additional consulting that has said Mr. Wilson's phone was attacked as many as 49 times and it has successfully infected by the time he was arrested in June 2018 for illegal involvement in Bhima Koregaon case. Earlier, the firm had claimed that the NetWire, a remote access Trojan, was used to plant later on the Mr. Wilson computer. Advocate and co-accused Surender Gadling was also targeted in same manner. This development raised suspicion about the genuineness of the evidence being relied upon to try him and other for unsubstantiated moist plot. There is a little doubt for the court order probe by the expert supervised by the panel headed by the retired Supreme Court Judge Justice R.V. Ravindran should be taken to its logical conclusion and the country, he told, whether Pegasus or any other spyware was used to infect mobile phones or other devices of lawyer, activists, journalists, among others. There is much reading on its judicial oversight inquiry, and it behaves the government of the day to extend its full cooperation and not pose any immediate to its independent functionality.